Hi everybody, welcome to my Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about really interesting situation, really interesting feature which called Zoom. So just watching my presentation. So for example, I want to show for somebody one of my results of my sellings, then I want to show different one results of my sellings, and then for example I want to show total. But after that, I want to come back to my home menu and continue to work. So basically it looks like action buttons or something like this, but no, it's just new transition. It's just form of transition which called zoom. What is it basically? Basically here I have some links. So do you see when I move my mouse over this part, my mouse became in a hand. So basically it is a link on a different slide. So right now with this zoom transition, I basically go on a different slide. And this is the way how my slide changes. So let's create the same thing with you guys and you will see how does it work. So first of all, let's create some new slide. Let's create some 4 new slides. First slide, let's just call zoom. Here we're gonna be work. Next slide, it is your first zoom transition. It's a slide which you will show first. Then slide which you're gonna be show a second. And for example, third slide. So what I want to show you is basically an example. So you could play around it and create your own scenario and structure, but this is like basic which for example I'm using. Okay, so we have zoom 1, 2, and 3. Then let's delete this stuff, go to menu insert, zoom, slide zoom, and let's choose 3 these slides. You also could use command or control if you want to choose a different one, like for example you go on here or here. So control you just press on a Windows version and command on a MacBook version. Okay, let's put insert, and we have inserted 3 slides. Okay, let's put them in some type of structure. For example, this is your structure. Click here. So as you see right now, we have link. Click here, and I want that you understand that right now we on this slide. We not just zoom in some image in our slide. We basically go to a different slide. Okay, go next. Go next. And because this slide was the last one slide in our presentation, right now our presentation is finished. But what if we don't want finished our presentation? What if we want to come back to this slide? In this case, we just choose this, our zoom slide, go into a zoom tools menu and choose return to zoom. Let's check what do we have in this case. First one, we go to the slide, we go to a next slide, next, third slide, and check what do we have. Zoom, again, third slide, zoom. So basically we create some type of circle, linking, looping of our presentation. This is really cool though, I think. Okay, but this is not everything. Check what else could you do with your Zoom slides. First of all, in this area you could work with way how does the slides looks like. But this is not everything. Let's check this. We could delete the whole background. Do you see what I have here? Basically, what is it? I just was using these pictures and put it inside a different slide. So let's create some picture. Let's paste this picture. Okay. Yeah, we need a picture. We don't need a slide. Picture. Let's insert it. Okay, and basically put here, and then we just could put slide here. So that's all. As you see, for example, we could hide our slide by this interesting method, but this is not everything. We could click here, go to Zoom Tools, change image, and choose any image. Which do you want? So for example, this one. And right now, this is a link for your new slide. That's all. So you just will click here and you're gonna be on a new slide. That's all. So let's watch how does it look like. Click on the first. Cool, beautiful. Second, do you see? We have transition with all these pictures. Third, let's click just on it. Yeah, so everything works and everything interesting. But this is not everything, guys. Check what could we do else. We could create new slide here, and we will, let's call it 1-1. And here, let's create a new slide, and let's call it 2-2. And let's merge them into a section. So let's click here, add section. Okay. And let's click here, add section. Here after 2-2, add section. So basically we have first section and second section. And then let's little fix it. So let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's insert zoom and then section zoom. So in this case, by choosing one slide, so we're gonna have opportunity to work with the whole section. Okay, so we have one section, we choose this section, and let's insert different one section. Second section, insert. So right now, as we also see, we have two slides, but basically they are linking us to two different sections. So let's watch it. Click here, 1, 1, 1. Come back, and we are not going to a next position. We are coming back to our Zoom slide. And click on the next section, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And let's go next. Yeah, we're basically coming back to our Zoom slides. This is really amazing, guys. So please use it. By using Zoom, you could make your presentation more interesting, more non-standard, and more professional. So please use it. And if you like it, just put some likes, comments, and scroll down, go to our next lesson. See you. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And guys, if you think that all of this stuff which I'm sharing with you is valuable, so please leave a comments, put some likes. And also you could sign up on my courses. I have some Udemy and Skillshare courses about Microsoft products and a lot of other stuff. Also, I have a couple of courses which are free. So thank you so much and see you.